and then put the duck in front because black probably wants to block it. So I'll put the duck there. I'll use the duck to help me launch my checkmating attack over here. Hey guys, so I keep seeing things popping up on YouTube about duck chess. Don't really know what it is, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a look, see if I can figure out how to play it, and play my first ever game of duck chess. Let's take a look. Okay, how to play duck chess. The duck is a brick. Pieces cannot move through the square occupied by the duck, okay. However, knights can jump over the duck, okay. Each player's turn has 2 steps. After moving a piece, the duck must be moved to a different and empty square. There's no check or checkmate. You capture the opponent's king to win. Okay. Stalemate only occurs when there are no legal moves left. Walking into check is legal. Stalemated player wins. Okay. So you put the duck somewhere and no pieces can go through it and you move it every turn, basically. Okay. 5-4. Is that the common? Is that what people are playing these days? 5-4? All right. Sure. Let's see if we can find a match. All right, guys, here we go. I guess I just make a move. Where's the duck? Click on a square. Oh, I get to place the duck. All right. Let's put it right here. No E5 for you. Okay, so he wants to bring the queen out. Should I just stop that? Like put the duck there? I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't really know what I'm doing. Okay. I guess I'll just defend and put the duck back there. I like blocking the queen, I guess. Makes sense. Yeah, that's an annoying spot for the duck. Interesting. So there's no checkmate. You just have to take the king. But if you get checkmate, then you could probably take the king. Well, maybe not if the duck blocked you. Okay, I see. So I just want to develop my pieces. I don't really... You know what? Maybe I'll... Should I develop the knight to here? Yeah, let's put it there and let's... Oh, I'm losing a bishop. Why did I do that? Can I take that back? I guess not. Oops. I forgot about regular chess. Yeah, okay, that was a bad decision. All right, well, I'm going to castle. I'm going to keep putting the duck there. What is this? Let's play e5. It looks like a nice square. And I'll just move it over there. Okay, I want to bring my knight like this. So I think I can do that. And then... Where should I put the duck, though? I have no idea. I mean, I could put the duck there. I don't know what that accomplishes, but something. My face cam, let's see. Let me do this a little bit larger. So we lost a piece because I wasn't paying attention. And I really don't know what's going on. So, yeah, I really don't know. Let's just try to bring my knight forward and let's keep the queen from getting out, I guess. So it's basically like normal chess, but the duck just kind of gets in your way. So you have to like maybe have multiple ways to accomplish something so that you don't get stopped like I'm running into the problem here. Let's be aggressive. Let's go queen h5 and let's... I don't know. Let's put it there. Maybe I can play... Maybe I can play d3 and knight g5 one day. Okay. So first we got to move the knight. Let's go here. And let's I don't know. I have no idea. I have no idea where I should be putting the duck. Makes no sense to me yet. I want to move a knight to g5. And go for checkmate. Could I? Oh, I have an idea. Okay, well, first I got to move the pawn. Actually, no, I don't. Okay, here's an idea. What if I go here? And then put the duck in front, because black probably wants to block it. So I'll put the duck there. I'll use the duck to help me launch my checkmating attack over here. Because he has to move the duck somewhere, which means I can follow it up by taking the pawn. In theory. In theory. And let's see. Yeah, the duck can't block my knight. So he could take the queen, but then the knight is going to take the king. So how does black... Okay. So I'm going to take it and do the same thing, I believe. Again. I mean, yes, they can sack the queen, but I'm winning a queen, so it's probably pretty good. I guess rook e8 is a move, actually. Rook e8 could be a move. And then the king's going to run away. That'd be annoying. But I could take here. Yeah, it seems pretty good for me. It seems pretty good. All thanks to this duck. This duck on h6. Duck to h6, exclamation mark. Ah, he does play rook 8. Okay. Oh, and I can't take there. That's clever. Oh, but you know what I could do? You know what I could do? I could do this. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that should work. Because he doesn't have time to take my knight. I take the king. It's still checkmate. The king can't escape. I think that wins, right? Oh, they even have a duck symbol in the notation. I just saw that. Oh, yes. I'm going to quit with 100% win rate with duck chess. No, I'm not. I'm going to play another one. That was kind of fun. Now that I have some ideas. Let's play again. Oh, it's the same person. Okay. Let's try not to lose my bishop. And then let's see. I don't know. We'll put it on f6. We'll stop knight f6. Maybe I think I want to play d4 this game. I think I want to get both bishops out. I didn't like how the duck kept landing on d3 last time. Yeah, now he's going to e2. Wait, let's play d4. We'll block the queen. I'm just going to like develop like normal. I'm just going to pretend like this duck doesn't even exist and just keep putting it there. You can't stop the knights. Oh, he's stopping e5. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I'm going to... let's play f3 and put the duck back here. Okay, so he really doesn't want me to play e5. I don't really care too much. I'm going to just keep... Maybe I'll just go here. Okay, queen's coming out. And I'm going to have to interrupt this video. I hear my 2-year-old screaming. So I'm going to try to see what she needs and maybe come back really fast, and I'll edit back to the game, but I may lose on time, unfortunately.